Hi everyone, welcome to Exec Spec, your Starline security centre for the East Midlands. Just wanted to share with you a short video on some of the great features with the Starline S66. So let's go. Lock the van. We've got total closure. If you ever disarm the van, this tag is not seen within the range of the van. What will happen is, when you come to putting the ignition on, you'll get this warning. So try again. They won't be able to start the vehicle, but also at the same time the vehicle will start to do a countdown, and if you don't present the tag, this is what's going to happen. This is pre-warning the thief. If you don't show me the tag or the owner, this is what you're going to get. That's the tag presented back to the vehicle. We also have tilt sensors fitted on this, motion as well, so if the vehicle's driven or towed away, if it's lifted to pinch a catalytic converter or the wheels. Impact, so let's just give it a... You'll have the impact. You have the standard default lock and unlock features on the vehicle. You can do all that. Into valet mode, so whenever we take it in for a service, we can disable the alarm altogether. Okay, we're in the vehicle, and the driver has the driver ID tag with him. Now, the vehicle's running. If the driver ever leaves the vehicle or is hijacked, so if Harry now leaves the vehicle with the tag present, the driver's door is open, the handbrake's on, car thief now gets in the vehicle, vehicle's still running, and now the car thief starts to drive off. The Starline security system will now start to trigger the countdown. So what's going to happen now is it's giving you a short burst of beeps to pre-warn you that we're going to go into full hijack. Then the siren's going to go off, and after that the main horn will trigger now, and the vehicle will come to a halt. Vehicle's completely stalled now, and hijack has been activated. If somebody tries to start the vehicle, there's multiple immobilisation cuts done on this vehicle, so you can't start it. If they do try to put the ignition on, it'll pre-warn them. So that, in a nutshell, is the Starline S96 on the VW Crafter. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call or send an email to sales@execspec.co.uk. Many thanks. Hi everyone, this is Ash from Exec Spec, and this is Harry Dawn. Security app, which is absolutely amazing. It's one of the best I've actually worked with. Valet mode. With the app, you also get tracking, so you can actually see where the vehicle is down to street level, and you can track it, know where the vehicle was yesterday, etc. So if you've got a fleet of these vehicles and you want to have the security but also the tracking side, then this is also a great feature. And a few seconds later, it'll wake up the neighbourhood.